Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video you will find out how to translate websites automatically with Google Translate. If you want to get a website automatically translate, there are a couple of ways you can do it. So go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any uploads, and let's get into this. First of all, go over to your Google browser and search for any website not in your language. For example, I'm gonna choose any no English site, so let's go BBC News in Chinese. Click on the link, and as you can see you get this pop-up where you just click on English or your language to translate it automatically. But just in case that doesn't work for you, then there is another way you can do it by using Google Translate. All you need to do is just go over your Google browser and open a new tab, search for Google Translate and click on this link, and it's gonna take you to the website of Google Translate. Here you can translate all sorts of stuff like text, images, documents, or of course websites. So go ahead and click on Websites. Next thing you'll need to do is select the language of the site. For example, for me it's Chinese. Once you choose your language, now just add in the link of the website here. Just go back to that website, copy the link and paste it here and click Enter to translate it into your desired language. That is how you can use Google Translate to translate any website into your own desired language. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video for more quick and easy tutorials like these.